What's up, my natural rebels? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my messy bun. I thought it would be great to go ahead and do this tutorial since I'm already getting ready for today. And today I just feel like I want my hair to be up today because I don't think it's in its best state because it needs to be washed, which tomorrow is going to be my wash day anyway. So I just want to show y'all how I do my messy bun. And I'm also just going to be basically getting ready with you guys today. Just do something different. And I feel like my hair is growing so much. This is how it looks in the back. Not too bad, but I want to put my hair up today, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So we can get started here. So first, I like to wet my hair. Not like drench my hair, but I like to wet my hair just to make it a little bit easier. So I'm not gonna drench my hair with water because I don't want my clothes to get too wet. So I also have a towel here, just to keep handy. So yeah, hopefully you guys can hear me because I got the water running, but yeah. I'm gonna be slightly damping my hair. Like I said, I don't want it to be too wet because I don't want to make a mess. So yeah, it's a little better. So I normally just take my brush here, just the regular brush, whatever you want to use, and I'll just brush the back upwards like so. Style of gel, just a little bit on the back and the sides and the front area, basically like around the edge part, just to give it an extra hold. And to me, I just think that it just looks a whole lot neater with the gel. But you don't have to use gel if you don't want to. You can also use like a leave-in conditioner or something like that if you don't prefer gel. So whatever works for you is totally fine. Like I said, it's just a bun, nothing really special. To put this on first because I'm going to be wearing a headband today, and so I'm going to go ahead and add this around my neck first. That way when I put my bun up, I won't mess it up by putting this on top of my head. So that's why I'm doing that first. Some hair ties or whatever you use to make your bun with, and normally I just gather my hair up like so, like this. Trying to make sure you guys can actually see what I'm doing. That right here could be a cute puff, but today's not puff day. Today is bun day, so yeah. So just gonna go ahead and get it around my head, and I like to push my buns forward, so that's what I like to do. And I don't just take my time with this part because I like to pull my buns to the front. That's just what I like to do. So it's kind of didn't come out like exactly like I wanted it to come out, but that's okay because you can also use bobby pins, so to go back into it however you want. Like I said, I like to have like pull my bun forward, so that way I know just like the curls show in the front, even though it's not that many curls, but it's my nice tail here. Okay. I want this like a piece of trash or whatever. So then I like to take my headband and put it on as well. After that, then I pull it like so. That's my new word, like so. I just think it's so, I don't know. It's like, but yeah. And there you go. I have my little nice little headband or a little hair accessory that I like. I might be adding another hair accessory. This is just something I like just to add on to it. Add a little touch of glory here. Because people be doing too much. I'm just like, there's no way your hair is like that. I'm like, we already know those are fake baby edges. So, doing too much. Anyway. That would be perfect, but it's just something like this to get you guys on the go when you have not done wash day, or when you have skipped wash day and now it's like taking a toll. But it's something I like. I feel like it's really good, a good go-to style, and it also gives your hair a break too. So yeah, so now I'm just gonna take this downward, doing my little side swirls or whatever you want to call these things, but I think they're cute, so I'm gonna be doing these anyway. Alright, this one's not as defined, but just like that. Okay, real quick and easy. And I like to just lay down some of my hair in the back underneath there, just to, I don't know, just to give it a little, you know, zazz or whatever you want to call it. So this is my quick and easy messy bun. Like I said, everybody do buns different, messy buns differently, but this is just the way I do mine. It ain't perfect, it's just something I just do on the go. Trying to get y'all a back shot. Hopefully it looks cute in the back. Just comment and let me know how the back looks. So yeah. Alright. And that's it for you guys. Yeah. Bye.
So ladies, I am back. I did decide to add me a little extra hair accessory, which is my favorite go-to, which is my white flower here. So yeah, I did decide to do that. And I'm going to be adding a little bit of, you know, eye makeup for you ladies that love eye makeup, which I'm not really a makeup person, but I love eyeshadows, as you can see. So I have mascara, a little eyeliner, and I decided to go with the green because it matches my dress, of course. Y'all know we gotta stay matching. Got my little cute mirror here, and I am not a makeup artist, so you can judge me, but you know it doesn't matter because I'm still cute and I'm doing the best I can. So this is just my, you know, get ready thing that I like to do. guys, so next I'm going to be using my eyebrow brush just to make sure that my eyebrows are neat and have a nice shape to them. And I do have a natural arch, so thank God, for that. So next I'm going to be taking my, mascara, give my eyelashes a little more volume. And this is something I do because, mascara is life. And it beats having to get your eyelashes done, which I don't like those anyways because they take your eyelashes out. Yeah, quick and easy. Next, I'm going to be using my eyeliner to do my little cat eyes. Like I said, I'm not a makeup artist, but this is something quick and easy I like to do, and it's become a signature of mine that I do almost every day when I do my eye makeup. Quick, easy, cute. Yeah. So next I'm going to be adding my cute earrings here. I do like to wear 2 pairs of earrings. So I'm going to be wearing my pearls today and my red heart earrings. Like I said, this is something cute and easy. So whatever works for you is for you. So now I'm going to be adding a cute choker accessory with the triangle in the middle. And these are not easy to put on. Even though I love to wear chokers, they're not easy to put on at all. But they are a cute accessory, so I like them. Okay. Next, I'm going to be adding my little cute bracelet I got made with me and my husband's name on it. I got it handmade when I was overseas, so it's cute. I have my little cheap little costume jewelry ring. That was cute that I added as well. Now I'm going to be doing a little bit of lip liner, brown lip liner. So this is optional. You don't have to use it, but I think it gives my face a better pop when I use this. So, and I like it. So yeah, it's cute. Okay, so that's how it looks so far. So far, so good. So next, I'm going to be grabbing my favorite Victoria's Secret lip gloss here. And I'm only going to add a little dab because I don't want to mess the lip liner up. So just going to apply it directly in the middle of your lips because you don't want to get it on the lip liner. So just want to give it a little lip smack. Not too much. Okay, so this is my look. It's kind of like an everyday little simple face makeup tutorial. So if you guys want more eyeshadow or tutorials, let me know. So this is my little OOTD for today. So yeah, guys, I'm so happy. And yes, I am a nerd. So nerds wear glasses, I guess. So I guess that makes me a nerd. But yeah, this is almost my everyday routine. I just find something really cute and easy to throw on, and this is me. Being natural rebel is like simple, nothing too much. And yeah, I love fashion. Fashion is something I am passionate about. Is it for this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also comment. If you have any more ideas for tutorials, ladies, just feel free to comment below. Let me know what you think about this video. I really want to know you guys' honest opinions. And like I said, thank you for your support. Thankful for watching this video. And yeah, love you natural rebels. Natural rebels forever.